Woah, 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 woah. I'm perching with my talons. We're all goddamn felons. When you're an avian, it's super amazing. I'm flying overhead, bullets filled with lead. When you're an avian, it's super amazing. Got a therian mindset stuck in my brain. Being human sucks, it's such a shame. Wanna fly up high over the trees. Get me out of this body, let me soar in the breeze. The avian is coming out. I feel it here without a doubt. My instincts start to kick in. I might release my true kin. Then I'm flying through loads of clouds. I'm feeling the wind without any bounds. I'm hazy, I'm crazy, I'm wild, I'm an avian. Oh no, I'm shifting back to a human again. I hate this, I hate me. Let the avian begin. Day after day, human to avian. You cannot change me, this is who I really am. Trapped in the body of a homo sapien. I'm perching with my talons. We're all goddamn felons. When you're an avian, it's super amazing. I'm flying overhead, bullets filled with lead. When you're an avian, it's super amazing. I'm perching with my talons. We're all goddamn felons. When you're an avian, it's super amazing. I'm flying overhead, bullets filled with lead. When you're an avian, it's super amazing. Instincts, reflex, distinct, mind complex, high jumps, tree stumps, everything that's all of me, yeah. All of me, yeah.